and welcome to my channel, Alliej.beauty. So today I wanted to talk about one of my go-to products that I wear on my lips all the time, and it is the Kylie Jenner lip kit. Yes, one of my absolute favorites in the world. And I wanted to do a review on them because she has no store like Sephora or MAC or anywhere where we can go, Ulta, where we can walk into and try the product on. And if it doesn't look good on us, then we can return the product. But because she's an online store, she doesn't take returns. So I caught myself one time purchasing a color that I thought was going to look great on me, and it didn't. And because her products are $30 without the tax, I wanted to do a review for girls with brown skin so that we're not wasting our monies because every shade is not going to look great on us. So I thought, why don't I point out a couple of colors that I absolutely love and that look great on me, and, so they'll look great on you too. So let's get started. So the first color that I have here is Malibu. And you would definitely get you a boo wearing Malibu. Just kidding. But it's definitely a color that's not too light and it's not too dark. It's just like right in the middle, perfect. It's a nude. I definitely see this as a daytime color. This is one of my favorite colors, one of my go-tos. I'm always wearing it all the time. I love it. So, Malibu. And this one that I have here is Hazel. Hazel looks like this. And this one is a really, really light nude. A really light nude, like a really light brown. It's definitely not a color that's going to stand out, but it's one that, if you just want like a little tint on your lips to, have a little color, this is definitely the color I like it. And the color here that I have on is Dulce K, because we are sweet like candy. And this color right here is more of it has like a pinkish more color to it, but it's still like a brownish pinkish. So I feel like it looks still really good on your skin for colored skin. This is more on the pinker side. So if you need like more pink, we're going towards this direction. And now we are moving into the dark colors. So this one here is Moon. And this one is a purple. And it's not too purplish. I feel like it's just like right in the middle. She does have a darker purple. And I feel like the darker purple is a little too dark. But this one here is really, I like it. And last but not least, brown sugar. And this one, I feel like is perfect. It's not too dark, but I feel like it's like right in the middle, like too dark, too light. It is brown. Another one of my go-tos, another one of my favorites. So, brown sugar. So those were some of my top favorite colors that I wear all the time. I also love them because they do stay on for hours. Minimal reapplying. They are one of my top. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe down low. I will be posting more videos soon. And please follow me on Instagram, Alliej.beauty. That is Alliej.beauty. Thanks, y'all.